do it, boys.
Let's get a chat.
What's up, chat?
What's up, chat?
There's nothing cooler than when you're riding downtown, you just see a curb, and it's like, I want to go up that. You're like, all right, and you go up it. And then you go, I want to go down that, so you go, all right, bet. Oh, oh my God, you're warmed up now, baby. Dude, that is the shot, bruh. So big, man. Yeah.
All about right here. This is cool. This is the spot right here, brother. Somewhere where I can get this shot right here.
I'll do it right here. Let's hit a curb nudge tutorial. Are y'all ready? Build some speed up. And you're gonna lean back. Get your nose above it, slam it down, and go over. That's basically all you got. Let's try. Hold on, we don't get.
Dude, there ain't no way. Look at this. Look how steep this is.
Why are y'all down on me?
Should I get down here?
This grass isn't that good for speed.
Gonna go right here or right here?
Right here.
All right, here we go. Talk to me on why you're doing it, what you're doing and all that.
All right, I'm gonna drop this hill, straight hill bomb. Try not to die. That's just how we do it.
All right, you can do it.
I'm telling you, bro.
I think you can do it. Stay on it. Really good shot. Can you stay on it or not?
Probably.
Huh?
Never done one this steep. There it is. Got it. Go for a ride. I can go a little bit of
Now do cool stuff. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this is what it's all about right here. This is cool.
Alright.
Night riding, bruh.
Let's just go in this maze, bro. Look at a pathway
cool.
right here.
This is cool.
Some oak trees.
Look at the birds.
Can't help but go. A little bit of left, a little bit of right. Go around the circle.
Yeah. All the way around?
Yeah. So next there. A little bit of left, a little bit of right. A little bit of it. On my knee. No, I'm all over the rock. Can't help but go.
This is an awesome shot right here. Look at the state capitol, dude.
It's a cool pic, bro.
This is the shot, bruh.
It's all out of control.
Hey, let me get this shot. Stay in the middle. I'm gonna ride around you. That's insane. That's an insane shot.
You want me to sit like that?
Yeah. Just stay like that.
Listen. You got enough?
Nice job, bro. Can I go with it?
Oh, yeah. I'm tired.
You done?
Yeah.
Get a man, bro. Love you, bro. Love you. You got a whole bag of swords?
I'm like spears or whatever they're on.
Come on.
Hey, I want to. Look. Hey. You got 2024?
I don't know.
Like to track that guy down. Oh, look at it. Yes, sir. Oh, that's where it's at. Oh, God.